Happy holidays, everyone! Welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So, I just wanted to wish everybody a happy holidays and just thank everyone immensely for really making this channel take off. The subscriptions are exponentially taking off right now, so it's just been a crazy year. And, you know, I started this channel with zero authority, brand new, fresh, brand new, which is it's really hard to take off from a brand new channel if you don't have any authority. And, you know, it's working. It's actually happening. The content I'm providing people like, and, you know, I'm really happy about that. And so, you know, I started a year ago with some SEMA videos and some car show videos. Then I did some LS engine videos, which is actually really taking off right now. Then the 2003 anniversary Corvette restoration, which that car's amazing. And of course now the Factory 5 Hot Rod version 2. So plenty more videos of that coming, and the progression of that is actually starting to move forward pretty well. So I'm even thinking about the next projects for this channel. So it's, you know, my mind's cranking at all times to, you know, what content can I do? You know, just recently, like I just mentioned, the LS engine videos have just exploded. One of my videos got something like 35,000 views in 3 days. And now it has somewhere around 97,000 views. And, you know, just so you know, in the description below, I have the playlist for LS engines, I have the playlist for the car shows, I have a playlist for the Corvette restoration, a playlist for hot rods. So you could go down and check all that stuff out and, you know, whatever, choose your fancy, basically. And, you know, the one thing about my channel is it's the real deal, in the sense that there's other channels that are going to do 50 hours of, you know, working on something, and then they're just going to show you the best 1 hour result and tell you how easy it is and all that stuff. But that's not the way my channel is. The way my channel is you get the real deal of what's going on. And the reason I came up with this kind of angle is because Factory 5 specifically advertises to the guy that has, you know, we'll say not much knowledge, he's not a car builder, has the few normal tools in his garage, and they're like, hey, that guy with a few tools in his garage could build this car. Well, that's what I'm showing. I am that guy. Now, I don't have any car building experience. I don't have any major tools or, you know, stuff like that. But I do have an engineering degree. I have really good research. I have scientific method on my side of how to approach stuff. And even though I'm in this totally new arena, you know, I'm taking a methodical approach to what I'm doing. And I'm not always going to get it right, and I don't claim that I'm always going to get it right. But with the help of the comments from you guys, you know, it's a learning experience for me, but I'm putting to the test that statement of, we're advertising to the guy that has a few tools in his garage and you could build this car. And so I want other people to experience what I'm experiencing as that guy, you know, and not fluff it up for everybody. Now, of course, I'm not showing you the thousands of hours that I'm dealing with tech support or researching forums or any of that kind of stuff on the computer. However, what I am doing is I am publishing that information. So not only am I publishing, you know, what the results of my research are, but I've also done things like, well, if everybody has to buy all these products, you know, like special oils and greases and degreasers and special, you know, tools or whatever to build this car, well, I'm putting a link in my video descriptions so you could just click on a button and go buy those tools. So, you know, instead of me talking about them to you and then you have to do more research, it's a lot better and a lot faster since I gave you some of the clues, but we just throw that all out the window. You just go down and hit the link and go. So I've really gone on my way to kind of make this easier for the community that's looking to build one of these cars. And I really appreciate all the helpful comments, which will help me the next time I come back around to that situation. You know, it's just one of those things that as I go further and further and get more information and get more comfortable and acquire a few more tools, and I, get better at using them, the videos are just going to get better. I'm already noticing that I'm relying less on tech support. I'm less intimidated by certain tools because I've already used them a few times. And there's certain things that I'm working on and be like, oh yeah, I got the grinder, I'll just pop that off. Where before it was like, geez, I don't know, and I'm kind of a context guy. I need a lot of context. And I like to measure, 5 times, cut once type of thing. But, I could get a little bit, I don't know. I don't want to say overwhelmed, but like the audacity that this doesn't just bolt on and I have to, I have to actually customize it. And, now I'm like, let me get the grinder and just, rip that piece off. So as I progress and get better, my videos are getting better. And that's not only true with, how I'm approaching building the car, but it's also true with how my videos are being edited and what the style is that's kind of honing in for this channel. So there's a lot of things that are actually happening that, stay tuned. It's going to be a good ride from here on out. It's only getting better and better. And with the help of some of my neighbors who have built cars and stuff, they come over and show up in these videos every once in a while to help me out when I can't do it myself, something's too heavy or I need some opinions. And so that's been great too. So I'm really thankful to them. So have a happy holiday, and thank you for all the viewership, all the positive comments. And as you, I can't wait to see how this car turns out. I'm hoping for the best, and it's just been an amazing journey, and I can't do it without you. So have a great day.